Falls, South Dakota. Here we are. Woohoo! And look at that, here we are at Wall Drug. One thing we did find in here is that they did have a traveler's chapel here. We are headed south on Highway 240 out of Wall Drug. We're going south, and you come up here. We got this one big cell tower here on the right, and then you see those other ones over there on the left. That's the road coming up that you're going to go boondocking out there along the Badlands. Okay, we're coming up on the boondocking area, but you look up here, I don't know how well you can see it here. Man, there are some boondockers out there now. They are lined up out there. Here's the road right here. This is the road right here where you go back here to go boondocking. Let's go down there, take a look.
Oh, Jesus. Little babies. Oh, God.
Well, the beginning was very rough. If you are pulling a trailer or have a motorhome coming down here, you want to go really slow down this road.
Along with the baby crossings.
Yeah, and then we got cattle crossing. And oh yes, there are some mega potholes here.
Oh, Lord.
So, I do want to go really slow. Nice hard packed gravel road, but it's got some potholes in it. Okay, after making it through all the potholes on this road, now here's the draw. This is what everybody comes for, is this view here, the boondock here. Look out over the Badlands. Badlands, South Dakota. This is June 2020, and boy, what a view, huh? Look at that out there. All the boondockers lined up out here. Boondocking like crazy, man. They are just lined up. Amazing. Yeah, we're here at the Pinnacles pullout, it looks like. That was pretty cool. Walk right out here to the edge and look over. Look at that. Wow. Isn't that something? And these trees down here are juniper trees. Can't even get away from road construction in the Badlands. Look at this. Stop, wait. We've got a flagger up here. We've got a one lane road ahead. Wonder how long this wait's going to be. Ben Raphael Visitor Center is closed. The building is not open. They have a little tent set up outside. That's it. That was kind of disappointing. We've stopped here at this little ranch store here after leaving the Badlands, and they've got some prairie dogs out here. So we're gonna go take a look at these prairie dogs. The prairie dog community. Oh, don't
Hi, baby.
get too close
Look
to
at you.
Look at
Aren't
him
you
there.
Cute?
Oh,
Hi, baby. Oh, here.
hi. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? Hi. How close you gonna let me get? Hmm? How close you gonna let me get? What do you think, huh? Hi. What do you think? Look at you.
Pretty close to that guy, didn't we?